Western Australia Maritime Museum, Australia. Located at the entrance of the Fremantle Harbour, this architecturally stunning multi-level maritime museum was built for the Western Australian Government. The Leisure Gallery, which houses Australia 2, is constructed of 35-metre high glulam beams with a double curved roof. The gallery is constructed over water. The main gallery is comprised of steel building approximately 25 metres high. The building requires significant temporary works and dewatering over contaminated sills that required environmental planning to ensure the river water was not contaminated. The building comprises of bored concrete piles, concrete ground beams, concrete and steel columns, and steel and timber structure. Winner of the 2003 WA Building Commission's Overall Excellence Award. Peterborough Hospital, PFI, Acute, UK. The Greater Peterborough Health Investment Plan is an ambitious and unique $555 million project consisting of 3 facilities. The main acute hospital is an existing live Edith Cannell Hospital site, has a floor plate of 95,000 square metres, which includes 612 inpatient beds and 200 operating theatres, as well as a dedicated women's and children's hospital. The Women's and Children's Hospital, whilst functionally connected to the main hospital, contains its own separate entrance. This provides not only clear wayfinding, but respects a different requirement of specific patient groups. Emirates Towers, Dubai. The 2 triangular Emirates Towers are a dynamic reminder of a commercial confidence in a city that continues to grow at an astounding rate. This 354-metre office tower with 4 levels of retail podium and a basement car park was the 9th tallest building in the world when it was completed and remains the tallest in Europe and in the Middle East. This was the first project undertaken by Brookfield Multiplex in the region, and its success proves the foundation of other projects in the area. Construction was completed some 7 months ahead of schedule. The Index Tower, Dubai. The Index building, designed by Fossils and Partners of London, is 386 metres, 86-storey building comprising of 25 levels of office space, 520 apartments and penthouses over 50 levels, with other levels occupied by basement parking, retail services, circulation space and landscape podiums. The project is located in the heart of Dubai's International Financial Centre, has a design and structural value of approximately 1.3 billion dirhams, making it one of the largest constructions entered into by Brookfield Multiplex in the Middle East region. Melbourne Convention Centre. The project involved the development of a new convention centre adjoining and integrating with the exhibition centre and the commercial development of the available land. The new convention centre is of sufficient capacity to enable Melbourne to compete for the large international convention market. It includes a 5,000-seat flexible plenary hall and ancillary facilities, adjacent to and fully integrated with the exhibition centre. The ancillary facilities include meeting rooms, a banquet room and a large-scale catering facility. Brookfield Multiplex managed the construction of Federation Square. This huge project occupies a 3.8-hectare site comprising of 40,000 square metres of floor space and 15,000 square metres of outdoor plaza and landscape area. Construction initially consisted of 30,000 square metres of suspended steel deck spanning fully operational railway tracks with limited construction windows, followed by a civic plaza and cultural centre including Museum of Australian Art, Cinemedia Centre, public atrium spaces, functional centre, galleries, restaurants and commercial buildings and car parks. The unique challenges that Brookfield Multiplex overcame with the construction of Federation Square include complicated fast-track iconic designs during construction phase, design and construction of a facade comprising of zinc, sandstone and glass mega panels, laying 25 kilometres of reclaimed ironbark flooring, 400,000 sandstone cobbles, a complex atrium structure, and maintaining vibration and acoustic isolation from the rail network below the site. The state-of-the-art world-class Stadium Australia seated 110,000 spectators during the Sydney 2000 Olympic Games, and today seats 80,000 in post-Olympic mode. Stadium Australia, now known as ANZ Stadium, has won over 15 major engineering construction awards, including the prestigious British Construction Industry Award and the Australian Construction Achievement Award in 2000. The construction was one of considerable technical complexity. At the peak of its construction, a workforce exceeding 1,000 was needed and a total of 35 mobile cranes were used on site. Coordinating the men, materials and equipment was a construction management feat. Brookfield Multiplex completed the design and construction of the new 90,000-seater stadium in March 2007. One of the most spectacular football stadiums in the world, the 90,000-seater Wembley Stadium was built to the highest quality achievable using the latest materials and technology. All 90,000 spectators enjoy unrestricted views due to the design of the roof across the stadium, which also provides shelter for all. The most striking feature of the stadium is a 133-metre tall arch above the north stand. It's 350 metres long and is part of the longest single roof structure in the world. The arch supports the weight of the north roof and 60% of the weight of the entire south roof.